Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's been a long time not updating my YouTube channel. Today I'm at my Tesla, and actually this is my second Tesla. So today's video I want to share 5 things you must buy when you have the Tesla. I hope you like this video. Let's get started. Okay, the first accessories you want to buy when you have a Tesla is the tint. This is the first thing you have to buy because this makes a big difference. As you can see, my front, my rear, and my front window are all tinted. In Australia, there are certain standards, so I recommend you go to a professional store to make sure all your window has been tinted, because you know Tesla is a big glass house, right? So Tesla like using glasses, and I like glasses. The view is pretty good. That's something I really enjoy, right? You have the glass roof, which is super cool. But sometimes when you at the summertime, the sunshine is very strong in Australia. So if you park your car under the sun, your car will automatically have this I don't know, temperature control. The default is over 40 degrees. It will start the cooling it down. That means it will actually cost your battery. Roughly calculated, when I park a car in a car park like this, every day you lost 10% of a battery. Because in Australia in the summertime is pretty severe. The sunshine is pretty severe. So I highly recommend you get your car tinted. There are certain standards in Australia. You can't get the darkest tint for the window, for the front window, but you can do the rear window. And you can't have any color on your front windshield. They are UV protected, like 100% UV protected. And also the heat reduction as well. Some product claim they have 98% of heat reduction, but I also heard in Australia market the best one you can get is 62%. However, there are some Korean products that they claim have 98% of heat protection. So you have to check your specification, make sure they are under the Australia standard. Okay, let me give you a quick show about the tinting. So when you're outside, you can't even see inside, okay? Even you are really close, you can't see it, right? But the front, you can see inside, okay? So that is the darkest tint I can find in the market. And for the roof one, the tint guy, the professional tint guy said it's not recommended because when the tint actually absorb a lot of heat, so it makes the glass easy to break. So when they tint the glass, they only tint the rear part, not including the roof one, because I already got some color and tinting here. So only from this part to here, the rear one is being tinted. So it's very easy to see inside. You can see, so there is a line. So you see this line, yeah. So they only tint half. Okay, that's but if you want to tint the front one, normally they got an extra charge for that. So normally the price for tint full window and the rear is about $500. Okay, if you want to tint the front one, they give you like 300 more, like extra charge for that. And once you get all tinted, you feel much cooler, and you save your battery as well. And this is make a big difference, and I highly recommend it. The second thing I recommend you to buy when you have a Tesla is the screen protector. So as you see in the Tesla now, we have 2 screens, one in the front, one at the rear. And they are pretty cool, especially my kids is really like the rear screen, so they can play the YouTube video or play games in here. So just like your phone, you have a screen protector. In Tesla, I recommend you to buy this one as well, because it protects your screen, especially the front one. You know, Tesla now use the swiping for the gear changing. If your touchscreen is damaged or you can't see anything, then you can't drive your car. So I like to have extra protection for my screen as well, and I also make it easier to clean. It won't get scratched. Even if it gets damaged on the screen protector, you just change another one, right? So it gives you a flexibility, and it's easier to manage. Because on my last set Tesla, the screen protection actually being damaged because when my son grabbed the bottle, and it's actually hit the screen by accident, and the protector actually got crashed, got cracked. So that make me wonder if I don't have the screen protector, maybe my screen got damaged, which is costly and not worth it, right? So another case is sometimes when the raining day, right? Then you use the umbrella and it's very easy to hit the screen and it damages the screen. So when you have a protector, it makes a lot easier to manage. And also for the for the rear one, it could damage by scratching because your legs are here and you got stuff sometimes from here, so the screen can get scratched very easily. So when you have a screen protector, it's extra protection. So that's why I recommend you to buy the screen protector. If you want to get it protected, I'll put the link down below the description. You can check it out, and I believe you can do it by yourself. Okay, the third one I want to recommend you buy when you have a Tesla is the game controller. Yes, you have a Tesla and the game is pretty fun. You have to check it out. But some of the games you require to have game controller. That's what I buy from the market. It's pretty cool design and it got lots of buttons and a joystick. When you play games, and it also can vibrate to give you that enjoy feeling. This is pretty cool when you get bored in your car and with your kid and you are waiting for someone or just killing time, right? So some of the games that requires you have this to play. I like the Tesla games actually. If you have a look from here, for the arcade game, so you can see the first one is requires the game controller and up to 4 people to play, right? And this game you don't require the joystick, you just play on the screen. And for this racing game, you can use a wheel, but I don't recommend it because it actually controls your tires, your wheels too, which I don't like it. You also can play using the game controller. It's pretty cool. And this game, I like this one very much. I use the game controller. Empire Survivors, it's a good game to play. Okay, here's the thing. When you buy the game controller, make sure it's a Bluetooth. Okay, and shouldn't require any dongles attached to it. I know some of the product you have to have a receiver or like a devices like dongle. You have to put on your USB under your glove box. But some of the game controller just using Bluetooth and you can connect from your Tesla so to be able to play, right? So check your specification when you buy it. If you like mine, I put the links down below in the description box. And I also got 2 because I like to play with my son in the Tesla. So make sure you can check out this. It's pretty good and I recommend you to buy. Okay, let's talk about the 4th things I recommend you to buy is umbrella. No, this is not the umbrella when the raining days. It's the umbrella for the car, the windshield. Like I said in the first point, when you park your car, the sun will damage your dashboard, your car as well, and it will also cost a lot of batteries to cooling down. So you need something to protect, extra protection to cover your front screen to be able to get a cooling, get energy saved. Okay, so this looks like an umbrella. When you pull out from the back, right, you just need to pull this out. Okay, like this. So you just pull this out. Okay, just like an umbrella. And so you pull this, now it's fixed. So you just get all the corners to the screen, like that. Okay, and then there's can you see it? And there's a stick, just attached to the screen to support. Yeah, and here you just need to tie this up so that it covers every corner of your front window. Okay, like this. So it gives you a full cover. So even if you go camping, right? So you can make sure no one can see inside. I like it very much. I use it very often, especially when I park my car under the sun. I use this, and it's also very easy to pack as well. Now, some people will say, oh, you can buy the cheap stuff, $10, $20 from a cheap store. Well, you can do that, but for this one, it gives you the full cover, and it's very easy to do it. It's quite decent product, and when you don't want to use it, you just need, just like umbrella, you just wrap it up, tie it up very easily, like this, and then put it onto the bag. Put into this bag. and then you can put it at the back of your car. It's actually very small, like this. If you like this product, I put the links under the description below. Check it out by yourself. It's pretty cool. It's new in the market in Australia. I haven't seen anyone use it before. I hope you like it. Okay, now let me talk about the 5th things you want to buy when you have a Tesla. As you know, Tesla have a large storage space inside. That is pretty cool. I like to put stuff in here, but it's not very user friendly because it's hard to find something I really want. So, but you can buy something like this box, sliding box, right? And you can put your card, your sunglasses, the cables, all in here, and it's sliding, right? And then you can put your sun cream down below. There's a large room inside, and you can put a large object under here. And then you can close this up. Yeah, very easy. The same in here, in this storage, you can also have 2 layers, right? So inside of here, you can put a large object like sun cream, you know, sprayer in the summertime. And then on the up level, there's just a box, and you can put some coins, you know, pen, and some small objects that you can easily to find and to grab. And put it here. Here you go, right? So if you have this box, it makes you easier to find things, and it's actually give you a much more space. Okay, there are 5 things you must buy when you have a Tesla. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. I'll share more things about Tesla in the future. Thank you for watching. My name is David. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.